Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? Today's election day, so I am distracting myself by doing a little bit of repotting. I have some plants here that Mama Clean Leaves needed me to repot, and I'm really hoping that the sun doesn't creep in on me over here because it's right over this wall, so I very well may be changing positions. I'm also using a recording app on my phone to record audio because I left my mic at home. So let's hope it works. I'm not sure. We're doing the best we can here. So I have some Haworthia here. Is it Haworthia or aloe? It might be some type of aloe. I don't know. She picked it up at Home Depot, I believe, but these pots are all rusted, so she wants to get them out of there. Plus, it needs to get cleaned up a little bit. And then we have this Gasteria, little warty. The reason I'm holding this like this is because it's all rusted as well. Listen, galvanized tin, whatever, not good because it's going to eventually rust. So we're gonna get it out of there. I'm going to be putting them in terracotta where they belong. We have De La Tank's soil mix, and I'm really excited. This is the 16 quart. And I picked this up with Adam the other day over at Sagebrush. The owner was so sweet and so kind to gift us each a bag. So I'm going to be using the only soil you should be using today. Let's see. Let's do this. Oh, and what I'm also going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a little bit of a would you rather. Now, I asked you guys on Instagram. If you're not already following me on Instagram, be sure to follow me over there because I post in my stories. You might not want to look at my stories today because it might be a little bit political. I usually post in my stories when I want you guys to interact with me during my videos, and sometimes I ask you guys questions for videos like this. So I'm gonna pull those up here if I saved them. I hope I saved them. Is this crooked? Probably. Is my battery dying? You jerk. To get a new battery. Okay, yeah, I have them here. I'm gonna go change my battery and I'll be right back. Okay. Hold on. All right, that's better. It's a little bit brighter. I'm hoping that the lighting is okay, you guys. Seriously. I'm also gonna put my hair up because that's just who I am, you know? I don't leave my hair down, sometimes. Okay, first, would you rather? Would you rather cook and eat a cactus or go naked with just fiddly figs over your areas for days? Oh, cook and eat a cactus. I am not a nudie pants kind of girl. I like to be fully clothed all the time. I would cook and eat a cactus. I mean, there are cactus that are edible. Well, the fruits on cactus. Or no, cactus are edible, like some Apuntia. Okay, I should have brought gloves because this is gonna be a wreck. Okay. Let's get this opened. All right. Oh, it's so fluffy. Pour some in here. Look at this. Look at that mix. It's just so airy and fluffy. Fantastic. I love the pumice in here too. Oh, landscapers. It's perfect. Would you rather your whole collection get spider mites or be forced to vote for Trump? Spider mites, baby. Spider mites. Would you rather have to throw away your favorite plant or not buy a plant for a year? I could go without buying a plant for a year. I'm just gonna kind of wiggle these out here. Yeah, I would be able to go a year without buying a plant because I did pretty much. I mean, I did not buy a whole lot of plants this year, mainly because like a lot of nurseries were closed. We weren't really going out shopping, plant shopping. My collection is pretty established. Like I wasn't finding myself needing anything really. So yeah, I could wait a year. I would hate to give away my most prized possession plant. That would be tragic. Okay, I got the first pup out. So we have one. Let's count how many we have in here. 2. I feel like I just did this with a plant of mine at home. Or did I dream that? Do you guys ever do that? Do you ever like think you're experiencing deja vu, but it was really just like a dream? There's another one. Ooh, this has a baby root, but that'll root up. Oh, that doesn't have a root, but if you stick these right in soil, these are resilient. This is a form of aloe. I'm just not sure what kind of aloe. Oh yeah, this is just retaining a shit ton of water. So I'm glad we're getting it in terracotta. Oh, I'm gonna clean up some of this dead stuff here. You know, the bottom leaves on these typically do die off. and that's totally fine. You just want to clean it up so the plant's not really putting any energy into that. These are like dead though. But it's still producing more growth, and with aloe, they sprout new growth through the center. So, just as good as new. Oh, I'm gonna have to take another shower today. That's unfortunate. I'm realizing that this is gonna post tomorrow, post-election day. So I just wonder what the state of the world is going to be in tomorrow, and I'm hoping for the best. We don't have to get all, you know, chatty about politics over here. That's what Instagram is for. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 little pups. She gave me a sheet to put down so I don't get soil on the turf, and I'm getting it on the turf. All right, let's see. Let's ask another one here. Can you just stay open? Why do you have to lock all the time and then kick me out? Would you rather label each plant or muscle memory the names? Okay. Those of you that know me truly know I will never remember the names of any plants, ever. So I need to label everything. It's just what it is, folks. You know, it's just not ever gonna happen for me. I'm talking basic ass names of plants your girl forgets. It's like, I don't know, you could call me a bad plant parent if you want, but I'm not. I just don't have a very good memory. And I used to act like in high school and college, so I don't know how that works, because I really do my research and I really like want to remember. Okay, I'm trying to just kind of like shove these in here, and I know you can't see me, which is so unfortunate. It's not in my regular filming setup, you guys, so. But this is where we're at so far. So I got the bigger ones in there, and I'm kind of just like shoving the other ones down, and then I'll top it off with more soil. Because this soil is so light and airy, they're kind of like wobbly. So you kind of have to fill as you go. But because I have so many, I could just kind of place them there and then top dress it with soil. Like pour some more soil over the top. 2 left. Bada bing, bada boom. Now I'm just gonna top it off with some soil so that all the roots are submerged. Thrips or spider mites? That's just like, that's a terrible question. Clearly, like, you don't want any, ever. If I had to choose, I would definitely choose spider mites. I have never had spider mites, I don't think. No, I don't think I've ever had spider mites, but I have seen like spider mite infestations, and they're manageable. Like, you can get them off, you can clean them off, you can see that they're gone. Thrips, I've never had thrips either, but from what I know is they fly around. They could fly to other plants in your house. Spider mites, for the most part, just stay on the plant. Like, they want to stay on the plant. They want to mess your plant up. They want to eat it, so they'll just stick around. But thrips, while they want to do the same thing, they can fly around your house and easily get to other plants. So I would say I'll take spider mites any day. I've had mealybugs. Those are pretty easy to get rid of. Those are like the pest you would prefer over any of them, I would think. Okay, I think we're doing pretty good here. I'm gonna give it a water, which should take a lot of the soil off the top, but look it. We got 1 down, 1 to go. Let's ask another question. Would you rather take back anything you say or hear every conversation around you? Well, I don't think I would want to hear every conversation around me. Maybe I would take back something like mean I said, but I'm not mean. Oh, that's a lot of soil. Wow, we have a lot of leftover soil. I would probably prefer to take back something I said to someone than hear every conversation around me, because like, what if somebody's saying something bad and you don't want to hear that? Look at that, overwatered. The roots look good though, but it was just not draining very well. But it's all in like one compacted, like, I don't have to pull them apart, which is gonna make this very easy. I'm just checking for pests. I don't see any. I don't even see any dead foliage on here. This is so cool. Like, I just love the markings on this. It's so awesome. Gasteria Little Warty. Okay, we're gonna pop her in there and then just backfill, and I'll show you the end result because I know you can't see what I'm doing, which defeats the purpose of a repot video. I'm sorry. You came here on false pretenses. I apologize. But we're done. Look at that. How cute. All right. All right, let's see if we have one more to answer, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Would I rather own a $100 plant or 5 $20 plants? I would rather own 5 $20 plants. Because the more the merrier. I don't think I've ever spent $100 on a single plant. No, I haven't. A little secret about me. I'm cheap. I think we're good. I think this would look really cute topped with like some lava stone, but she doesn't have any here. But that's okay. I mean, we're in the desert. I'm sure we can find something. But anyways, thanks so much guys for joining me in today's video. My hands are gross. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, consider subscribing. I try to post twice a week. Yeah. All right guys, see you in my next one. Bye.